We're back for a stream. Today I'm on the moderator side, and Moritz is going to show us the Office Racer again. Moritz, tell us more.
Yeah, so today will be a very special episode about the Office Racer without the Office Racer. Because sadly I forgot it at home, but we will definitely do something nice today. So I did get a new Raspberry Pi because the last one, the Pi camera connection didn't work. The new one, it does work. I tried it at home, so perfect. Sadly, I forgot the racer at home, but today we're going to do something special. We are going to implement the first step to get the stream running and to actually see it on the controller side. So we are going to integrate a lobby, kind of like a place where we first have to stay, or the controller and the racer first have to stay to exchange information. Hey, where's stream at? What can I open and stuff? And when they're done, then the controller will actually connect right to the racer, and it will then be able to be controlled.
Sounds good.
Yes.
Aside from the part where you forgot the Office Racer.
Yeah, I know. So let's see. PyCharm.
This will be the outtakes.
Probably. Yeah. One episode for Death Null. Hopefully not. So, yeah. So today, let's... I have not opened this for a long time. Where is my Office Racer developer? Dun, 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 dun. Just a second before I show something which you're not supposed to see. But I'm pretty sure... yes, looks perfect. Okay, I think you can share my screen as well. Hopefully this works.
Sorry.
It works perfect. We're off to a great start today.
Sleeping, watching the chat, I meant. So now you have the usual problem.
I have the usual problem. Yeah, I worked on it yesterday, but my monitor is a little bigger. Oh, how's it? Yeah. Okay, so font size, editor, tab,
In appearance, there's one.
What? No, font in here. I believe 20 might be enough.
I usually use 16.
16? Seriously?
Yeah, in the streams.
Still look. Oh, okay. Let's. Looks better.
And in the topmost.
And this one, right? Yeah. I'm fine with 16 here. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Looks good.
Grandpa style.
Okay. For the new people to the screen. Well, we don't have a picture. I don't have a picture of the racer, so that's going to be a lot to explain today. Okay, so the idea is I wanted to have a remote-controlled car in the office here in Karlsruhe. And when I'm at my office in Stuttgart, I want to race someone at Arkansas. And right now we're doing the prototype for this, or the first runner, let's say, first racer, and the remote controlled car is already there. Oh, I think I have a link to it. Wait, there's a README file, and I think I have. Wait, click on this. Oh, I think I have to do this in English pretty soon. No, I don't. Forgot about the link. Okay, never mind. So it's a normal, small race car, and instead of driving autonomously, which is a new big thing, I want to drive it just like the drones with first first-person view with a camera to the front, and I want to control it with my computer or app or whatever, but not autonomously and not with a controller right next to it. So the idea would be that our three officers right now could have a good race on Friday nights. There's not an office in Greece yet, is there?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, but okay. So to all our friends in Greece, yes, they are of course also allowed to take a drive, and the idea would be that on Friday night you can just ping someone to race against you, and you're supposed to see where your car is going, or see actually, have a camera in front of it, so that you can see where you're going, and you're supposed to control it. The main problem which I had right now is that I can't really use. So the first problem was the camera socket was broken, and it took me a long time to figure that out. Now, since I figured it out, had to buy a new Raspberry Pi. And the second problem we had was that the streaming for the video is actually also using a WebSocket or an HTML file which you can open in the browser, and then it will stream the video to the HTML file, which is basically what we did before in here. So you have an HTML file, you have a stream, just put in there, and then everything else, every camera image is being sent to the HTML. Okay. But before we can connect this, I had an idea yesterday to solve one of the problems. So the thing is, we need to tell the controller that someone is calling me, and he doesn't get that I can't talk right now. Okay. So the idea would be that the controller has to get the address somehow.
Okay.
To know what to open. And right now, the controller only sends the commands to the server, which will then send the commands to the correct racer.
Okay.
So there's no direct connection between the racer and the controller.
Okay.
So we somehow have to know, hey, this is your racer and this is your camera feed you have to open up. So this is something we have to negotiate before the actual controls are reaching the racer.
Yep.
So let's see. This is basically the dummy racer, which will just show, which is basically just a copy of this piece right here. Wait, what?
Can you do me a favor and remove the unused imports? It just triggers me. Thanks.
You want me to sort it by color as well?
You can also press like, I don't know, on Mac. Optimize imports.
We're not here for that.
Okay. I see
Okay.
Python code.
Yeah. I hope it's big enough.
Yeah. If to the chat, if it's not big enough, please complain.
Yeah. So let's check out who's economy. Okay, never mind. Must not be that important. Or yeah, I'm just busy. So yeah, so we have the client racer, which will actually be connected to the hardware itself, which we can't use today because some idiot forgot the racer. So we're going to use this thing, and basically what this does, it just prints out the message, which is fine for now. So it will run through this till the end of time and just print out the messages it receives.
Okay. So it's just as a dummy replacement because we don't have the real one, and also for testing it's easier if we print it here instead of crashing it into the wall.
Right. So what we can actually do is have another loop before that, or some mechanism which will pass through some information what you actually need. And since this one only receives, we actually have to send something else. So this is the first message that will be sent. When the connection is established, this is the first thing that will be sent. And then we have to, let's see, so this is Razer connected. And we have to wait for the controller to be connected as well, because this will be printed to the server. But it doesn't tell me if there's a Razer actually connected, if there's a controller connected to the Razer.
Yeah, so we need to wait for controller connected.
Right, so we need to do something in here. Just do the same thing here. Oh no, wait, what is this?
Hashtag for comment.
We have to wait here. What does it do? Wait here for a controller to connect. And when it is connected, what? We have to send let's see, I think it's supposed to be oh yeah, your address and on port 8000. So we have to send the IP address, IP what?
You want to enable that the controller can directly connect to the Razer.
Right.
Ah, I see.
So this will, of course, for now only work when you're on the same network. This will not work through the rest, but this will be another small part we can fix. So, yeah.
Maybe one question?
Yes.
So when we send the IP address and the port to the controller, so it tries to connect to the Razer. But the Razer is still waiting in here in this loop with the old connection to the server. So we would need to cut down this connection and wait again for the controller to come back to us? Or do we open another connection?
Well, the thing is, WebSockets are bidirectional, so we would, the first thing would be something like this to send the message.
Yeah.
And the second one would be to wait, what we do here, for the next message. And if the message is green, go, whatever, then we will run into this loop.
Okay.
That would be the idea.
But if the controller connects again to the Razer directly, then you have a new WebSocket.
Kind of.
Okay.
Yeah, I know, it's
a
little bit.
Then I wait and you show.
Why is this? Oh, there you go. So what this, it is using another socket. Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Yeah. So ideally, I tried it to send it through the same WebSocket I used to send the controls and to go to the Razer.
Yeah.
But I'm losing a lot of traffic.
We are talking about a video.
Yes, we're talking about video.
I thought we want a direct control for the
No. The direct the control stuff is done.
Yeah,
what we want to have now. Okay, sorry, maybe I forgot it.
I got confused.
So
there.
what what we need right now is to make sure that the controller will actually receive the video
Yeah.
part of the racer. And I tried to send it through the same WebSocket as the controller
Yeah.
is already connected to the racer.
Yeah.
But since this is constantly sending images,
Yeah.
I can't send anything the other way.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I need to have some kind of mechanism to, I don't know if it's at all possible, because streaming video via WebSocket is, yeah,
Suboptimal.
yeah. And it's constantly, so you don't have the possibility to wait for the next
Yeah.
input and then send the next image. So
Yeah.
it's supposed to be constantly, and yeah.
Okay. Sorry, was my mistake.
No worries. That's all good. So these would be the steps. When the controller is connected, send the IP address in the port. And
Maybe another question.
yes.
Would it be possible on the server to be like to read from the socket where the connection is coming from and just tell the controller, hey, I have this socket here to the device and it's there. So it's not the client here sending this information about the IP and port. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm not actually sure if the WebSocket I'm using right now.
Can expose this.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let's continue with this.
So I would
will
love
work.
to. So right now, I already looked into it, but WebSockets, I guess, are still something that is done for Python, and it works fine, but it's not really an up-to-date API.
Okay.
Then
let's stick to the solution.
Probably we could use Quarkus for this one, or whatever other language that are a little bit newer, so that we can have a little bit more thing. But
yeah,
it's supposed to be Python all the way, so we're doing this in Python.
Nice.
And I think, no. Why am I so short here? Oh, I know. Someone small was sitting here. This is... No. Okay, never mind. Not touching it. Keeping it just like this, yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, back to topic. Let's see how many people would have looked at the Reddit. Ooh, 248 people have already looked into the stream, so maybe this will be the new highlight of this channel.
Let's see.
And so many people are joining. Let's hope. Okay, so now we have to send something to the controller, and I would say we also have to wait for the controller to send an acknowledge back and then jump to the next, the controlling part of it. I would think so. I'm not sure if that's normally the way how you should do it, but I would do it that way. Then we wait again. Wait for this. Is this better? No, it's not.
Just ignore this.
Okay.
It's Python.
Good. Okay. So, I'm actually not sure if I can just use def here or if I have to use an async def here, because I want to have this one in a separate function. Yeah.
Then async, because you will use the socket inside, I guess.
Ah, true. Yeah. Async def. Wait for controller.
Probably you need to pass in the socket, right?
And I think I already used this somewhere. what kind of thing this is. Oh no, I think it's on the server side. This one. Dummy Racer. What?
Yeah, import. Sounds reasonable. Yeah, you need to import it from the sub package. So I think that
Okay.
should work.
Okay. And then I can do all this. Oh. Bum, bum, bum. And this.
Okay, so we loop as long as it takes for the connection to be available.
Yeah. Because this will happen instantaneously.
Yeah.
When the server's running. So
Yeah, as soon as we have connected, then we can send.
yeah.
And yeah, maybe you can add the function call in the method below. Do you need to await it?
Pretty sure. Okay, we can also do this.
Another method.
Yeah.
Crazy guy.
Living on the edge. It's WebSocket, nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm probably
And
above this.
dun dun dun.
Code looks so much different now.
Await this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I was gonna go. How does the throwing work in Python?
The what?
Throwing an arrow?
Race. Why do you want to throw?
No, this. So this might throw an error. That's
Yeah.
why this one is here.
Yeah.
Whoops. But now I want to pass this one, like get the error from here, pass through, and then
Yeah.
end up here. But I don't think
If
that's
you
gonna
have an
work, right?
exception, it bubbles up until you catch it.
So this should work, but
Yeah.
then of course I don't know this part, right?
Yeah. But I mean, when the receive fails and you get an exception there, then you anyways don't have it. At most you have the message from last iteration.
Right, yeah.
So just print the exception.
Okay. So, we of course need to wait. It's the first part. What? Oh.
Yeah, that's Python has rules about how many new lines you must
Yeah.
or you're allowed to have between methods and stuff. That's
All right. And the message would ideally be
Controller connected.
Controller connected, yeah. Then WebSocket send. Now this is going to be confusing because now I'm going to run this on the same machine all at once, right? The controller, the Razer, and the server.
Yeah, it's,
So-
I mean, it's 3 applications probably, but
Right. This might be something interesting. How do I get
IP address.
the IP address? Yeah.
Yes, that might be interesting.
IP addresses. Manipulating. No. Learn IP address concept. No. How to get IP address. How to find IP address in Python. March of 2020. Hostname get socket hostname. Well, socket dot get hostname. Hostname. Okay.
Okay. Let's find out. Better printed. I mean, you can start a Python console in IntelliJ.
Ah, right.
Behind my
Yes.
back,
Perfect.
I would say. Yeah.
Python console.
And
Okay.
just paste it there. That might be a problem with the indents.
Pretty sure it is.
Try Shift Tab. Should also work in front. Didn't?
Something funny did go. Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it actually looks good.
Okay, so we get host name. We don't care about the host name, but we do care about this. Let's do oh. Oh, come on. Now I can use those, right? Yes. Oh no. No, no, no.
What?
Where do I do this? Racer? No, I want controller.
You want the format string.
This one.
And it needs to start, you need to put a F in front of the string.
And then it doesn't work. So I can do this one, right?
Yeah.
This one and no. Oh, it's supposed to be this one, right?
Forward slash? No. It's probably a backslash, I would say. Yeah. No. Try it with the backslash. That is usually used for escaping. Maybe the formatting here from just the visual formatting in IntelliJ has a bug.
So now I have here and the other one, they're both not the same. Oh, come on. Controller, how do I send this? Nope. In here. Oh. Much easier. So we're just gonna do this.
Yeah, just make a dictionary.
Yeah, just make a dictionary. Wait, client dummy eraser right here. So
What does it complain about now?
formatting.
You have to hover over the yellow, yeah. Not just about
Oh, yeah,
yeah.
of course. Like this, of course, of course. So looks like we're trending on Reddit. For all Reddit people, welcome to the club. Well, we're already at almost at 500 visits, and I already got 3 upvotes. So
Nice.
yeah.
So let's see. Let's give us
Why
some
is
hype
it?
in the chat.
Oh,
Yeah, it's not Python conform naming.
right. Okay, so what we're doing is we wait here. Whoops. This is here. And then we have, hopefully, get an acknowledge.
Hopefully.
And yeah, that's gonna wait anyways. And then we have to see
If egg is egg. Or
I'm not actually sure if
I mean, you can send a message that's called egg.
yeah, if just like this, you mean?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna break true, which should then finish this one and then go back. Oops. And here we're doing this. And then it should finish here.
One remark.
Yes.
Maybe just make a return there and make a while true loop, and you can get rid of this variable.
Sure. Does this work?
Yeah.
Doesn't like it.
It's just fine.
Oh,
It's just
okay.
colored when you click on it.
Yeah, highlighting.
Yep.
To get used to JetBrains again.
Yeah, it's every IDE colors it a bit differently, and you really need to get used to it.
Okay. Let's see how many people visited our page. Ooh, almost 500. Almost. All right. Back to the topic.
Yeah.
So this should
Can we try this already? Or what is missing?
well, right now this would never complete, right?
Yeah, right.
So we can just run it, of course, but it will never complete,
Yeah.
which is fine for now. So we can just run it and see what's happening.
Yeah, let's send something before we do that. To keep the suspense high. Will it work on first try?
Ooh. You're living on the edge today.
Yeah, always.
Okay. This one. So I think we might have to do a little bit extra here. Okay, let's get rid of this
So
one.
this is the controller now.
This is the controller now.
Okay.
So the controller. This will open up the connection.
Okay.
It will send controller connected.
Is it the exact same string that we had on the other side?
It looks like it.
Okay. That's good.
Wait, where's this
Oh, yeah.
match case?
Oh.
It looks
Yeah,
good.
client dummy. Okay. Yeah. Great.
Yeah.
I'll remove that again. The case sensitive, because next time you will search something and you will wonder why you find nothing. I speak
Of
from
course,
experience.
of course. Okay, so we need to have a lobby in here as well, but we can. Okay, so this would be the first thing, and then this would basically be the racing stuff,
Yeah, but
which we can extract into.
so one question.
Yes.
So we actually already sent a controller connector thing.
Right.
So if we start it now, but we start the racer before the controller,
Starts a racer before controller, yes.
then it should already get through the first if, and we should receive the IP here.
Oh, you're right, yeah. True, because that's the first step. Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect. Okay.
Let's try.
Let's try. Okay, let's warp. Oops. Wrong one. Okay.
So there's also the option in IntelliJ to just press on the run button. You know that? Just saying.
I have
I have
three
a command
programs.
line.
I have 3 programs running in this, so I want to make sure. So I don't really care about the server. I want to run here because I don't really care about what
Okay.
it does. It
Okay.
will run constantly, and then, yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I don't really care about it.
Just trying to be.
Yes, I do know.
Bashing.
So yeah, I will definitely run something for your satisfaction in IntelliJ in PyCharm, but I don't want to run the server. So pywet no. That's something. Where am I at? Oh, Python. Darwin can't because blah. Okay. What are you doing? Okay. So server's running. All right. Now I can start. No, I don't want to start the racer.
You need a new one, all right?
I need a new one. Yeah. So this will be the let's call it the real racer.
You can also just duplicate that one, and if you have some
but I
other
don't want to
config-
duplicate it. I need another script to run.
Yeah, if you have other stuff configured, then
Oh, okay,
duplicate
so-
it and just only there's a duplicate button on the top.
Of course.
And then you can just change the script. The Unreal.
That's the same idea. And I was gonna ask you if two characters would actually be distinctive enough to
Yeah,
make sure
for
that.
sure. It's longer,
Okay.
and you can make the R uppercase. Then it's even camel case.
You mean this?
Yeah,
Isn't Unreal one word?
I have no idea.
I'm
Oh,
pretty
now
sure.
it's two
I'm
words.
pretty sure it's supposed to be this,
Okay.
not this. But okay.
Sorry, script. Yeah.
Uh, client autonomous controller? No, wait. This is what? Office Racer. Dummy Racer. That's supposed to be the one. Why is this client Racer? Oh, okay, Dummy Racer. Perfect. Okay, so now we are going to debug this one, right? Speeder, Python, Darwin can't open. Okay. Works.
What did you just install?
Just supposed to open it, so it's
Okay.
all good. Okay, so this one is running. I can see it here, right?
Yeah.
And now I want to have the controller. Oh no, I don't want to do it in here. I definitely
Why
want
not?
to do because the terminal in PyCharm doesn't really work well with capturing of the keys.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
So I definitely have to do this one in here.
Okay. I
You
see.
can put in your beautiful face again.
Thank you.
You are very welcome. Okay, this one and oh. Why is this? Oh.
Am I in the wrong directory?
Thought not. Yeah, I updated Python.
Ah,
Try to.
okay. Can you increase the font?
Wait. This is. I can definitely increase it, but this
Thanks.
is not helping me. I don't want to have the autonomous one. I want to have the normal one because that's the one. Are you kidding me?
Nice. So it crashed for some error? Ah, the formatting. Forward. Not supported. This platform is not supported. What? Py input. Keyboard.
Not quite sure why. Let's see. Which one is this one using? The Real Eraser. This is big. Okay.
Maybe make a Python minus version to see if it uses the same Python version. Maybe you have not installed it in that venv. Ah, okay, it is still. Which one? Try again.
Okay. Do I?
So, is it saying in which line it's crashing?
No, the problem is that it can't verify that this is actually the real thing.
So it's a Mac security thing that's killing you, or what?
It's yeah. Um, yeah, it's CyberDuck. It tried to do some stupid stuff. How do I solve this now? Okay, so the racer is running. Let's try to do this in here. Yeah, CyberDuck, nice.
So do you need to
Why?
whitelist Python somehow or so?
Well, the file was modified by CyberDuck, which is an FTP client, which I used to copy the environment over to the Pi, which I did before. And for some reason, CyberDuck thought, "Ooh, it's a nice idea to change the files," which now is the problem.
The the files of the virtual env or what?
Yeah,
Can
the
you
files in
install
here.
this package again?
But this is
Objective C, CPython.
yeah. Let's see. Is that how it works? I think so. Yeah.
What?
Holy moly, yes.
Ah,
And I think the keyboard one is the one.
maybe just pip install keyboard thing or pip update. Maybe there's a new patch version.
Do I also have to specify the package I want to do, or can I just do the pip update?
That should also work. Upgrade. Oh,
Great. Let's do help. Install, download, uninstall, freeze, check.
pip install, then the
config.
package name, and then minus upgrade.
Yeah. Keyboard minus upgrade.
Satisfying.
To update run.
I mean, you can also try uninstall and then install it again.
Let's do this one first. Okay, and then Nope. Yeah. Uninstall keyboard. Yes.
Okay, let's try again.
What? Oh.
Who's actually throwing the arrow?
The system is throwing the arrow because the files have changed. Okay, let's
create a VN from scratch.
I guess so. I'm not sure which one.
Or use the old VN. I mean, there's not much installed, so you can also uninstall the PyObject-C. See if that helps. And the WebSockets. Yeah.
I don't want to remove all those.
No.
Yeah, right.
Can you do a pattern? Like a star?
Dun, 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 dun. Maybe I will just remove it and
Yeah,
recreate it.
drop the VNF and create a new one. Yeah.
Okay, this. How do I exit the one?
Um, deactivate?
But just deactivate?
Yeah.
Seriously?
That's what Google says.
Perfect.
Woo!
Awesome. Okay, 1, 2. Gotta be kidding me. Deactivate. Okay. Wait, where am I at? No, this is wrong. Okay. Let's jump into here. README. I think I already did this, right? Supposed to do. Dun, dun,
Yeah,
dun.
bottom.
Right there, yes.
You can even do it with IntelliJ.
What? Okay. Source. Yes. All right, back in the game. Pip install keyboard. Sounds good. And there goes all the stupid stuff.
Okay. And also the webcam. Or what was it? WebSockets. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. Maybe just hit the run button to see if it directly explodes again. Oh, it looks better. Or at least different. I think we didn't install this
Client
yet.
controller.
Oh, this is from keyboard. Oh, do you need to specify in IntelliJ that it should use this environment?
I thought it does.
Is this the right directory?
Developer, Office, yeah.
Which one? The above?
They're the same, aren't they?
Looks the same, yes. Maybe just retry. Okay. Maybe try in the console.
Well, the problem is, no, I think I messed it up. I use PyInput from No, I use keyboard from this and not. I don't use keyboard. I use this one.
So you need to install PyInput.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now I did all the import stuff, and yeah, I don't need it. Okay, but now we are.
So
How long has
just-
it been for you to write something in Python?
Since when or what?
Since when? Yeah. It's been a while, right? Or have you started again?
Officially in projects, I've not done it for a long while, but privately, I'm from time to time allowed to help some people with some Python, so I stay up to date. My
Okay.
brain at least stays a bit up to date with the syntax. So just pip install it now, or the Python.
Yeah, I just got distracted by Kobasai. Kobasai. I'm not sure if I probably butcher your name. Sorry for that. He answered in on Reddit, and I think this might be right in your alley, right? MQTT. I think there were some streams about it.
Yeah. Can you make it bigger? I can read it.
Can do it.
Yeah. Probably, yeah, you could use a queue or something like that, but it's not about making it super optimized. And Moritz wants to show us more about Python.
Yeah, I'm not sure if this would actually.
Yeah.
I think this could be Python, right?
Mosquito?
Yeah. What's Mosquito?
No idea in what they implemented it. It's from Eclipse, so would hint for Java, I would say.
Yeah, it looks. No.
I can Google
Well-
while you continue.
Okay, perfect. But thank you for answering and participating. So let's just recheck. Ooh, 820. People like this. Okay, find. No, don't know this anymore. Okay, so we're still looking for. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay. Deactivate.
Okay, so GitHub says it's 64% C and 28% Python.
Oh, okay. No
And
Java at all.
Yeah, a bit of
Nice.
C++, a lot of make files. Yeah. So you were right. It's more Python and C.
Okay. Let's just do this stupid thing like this. Because why not? Et voila. It works. Okay.
Awesome.
Yeah. Just use PyCharm. It's supposed to work all the time. Okay, so controller's running. Nice. Let's
So
do
start
the
server
Unreal
first.
Eraser.
Server first.
Server, yeah, server first. Nice. Okay. Yeah, but at least this all the stuff works. Office Eraser. Communication, Python server, run. No. Oh, wait. Oh, of course.
Ah,
Oh.
okay. Not in the environment.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So now we want the razor first, right?
Yeah. Razor
Okay.
first.
Let's see. One razor. Perfect. Okay, and now we want to have the controller run.
Okay, we have a controller and a razor and
So
zero
it's
razors.
connected.
The razor died.
The razor died.
Can you go on the in IntelliJ to the left tab of for the razor to see what bada boom we got? I think yeah.
Dummy
You cannot send a
razor.
dictionary.
Are you kidding me? I'm sending a dictionary before that. Oh no, wait. I'm think. Oh yeah,
you
yeah.
chase me
You're
by
right.
it
You're right.
before?
Yeah, no. There's something different I'm doing here. Let's see. This is supposed to be the controller. And what I'm doing here is dum 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 dum. What? Oh, wrong method. Using the command and doing this.
Okay. Now it makes more sense.
And yeah, a lot more sense. Okay. So, this should work. This should not work, right?
Yeah.
So what I want to do is do this. And now, of course, I need import JSON. And let's see. So this one is still running.
Yeah. But I'm not sure if it will work.
Okay. So no, not the real one. I want the unreal one. Go. No. Fell flat on his face right from the start.
Unexpected error. Okay.
Wait for controller. Self control. Wait for controller. What's this?
What did the server say?
Oh. Bye bye, server. Connection handler failed. Nice. Oh no, wait, this is still working. If I connect the controller now. Yeah, this one's still working.
Okay.
There's a razor connected, which is not true.
Not true. So it's not so really working.
Okay.
Maybe restart the server.
Okay. So let's get Unreal Razor into it. Run. One razor. Perfect. It's running. Nice. So now let's get the controller into it. Bada bam, bada boom.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what we expected, right? This is supposed to all...
Can you go to the Unreal Razor? I expected some blocks. Ah, your computer IP. Okay.
Bum, 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 bum. So now...
Why don't I see the message on the controller? Shouldn't it have...
No, this is supposed to be sent... This is the print one right here.
Yes, yes, yes. But we sent the IP package.
We do send it. You're right. But for the controller part, there's nothing printing it.
Ah, right. We only have the controller connected part, yeah.
So now we're right here, and now we're doing this. So
Yeah.
we're waiting. Oh, maybe not. Wait, let's see. I think. Oh, this was a stupid workaround we had to do, right?
Yes.
It's waiting. Oh, I remember.
We need to receive from time to time.
Yeah.
If we only send, then the connection drops.
Okay. Yeah. So now we are here, which will actually do a whole lot of stuff. Let's see if I. Perfect. Controller quit. Okay. At least this works. So we know the Razer part works. We need to do the controller part,
Okay.
because we can't just send it and then go right into here. This will not work.
Yeah.
So we can do the while true in here and do something. What? And so now we have to, let's see. We have to wait for the message to be sent.
Yeah.
Right? So we have
Reset.
to do some kind of magic, receive message. We are going to
Just normal receive website.
normal receive, yeah. True. So we are await WebSocket receive, and
this should be this IP object or dictionary, but probably is a string.
yeah. So now we have to do the dance the other way around.
Yeah, so maybe print it first.
Sure.
I printed A. Okay, and then you need to send the egg and then continue, right?
And sure, yeah.
Maybe we do this first and you have the loop closed.
Socket send. Whoops. Like this, right?
Yeah.
And we have to await it, and then we have to.
Then we should.
If I do in return here, this will break a lot of stuff, right?
Yeah,
it's not supposed to happen.
Just break.
This will break out of the while loop.
Yeah, that breaks the loop, the next loop.
Okay, so let's see. Server's running. Just to make sure, it's restarted. Okay. We are going to start the Unreal Racer, because why not? This one is running. Okay, and
you can
now
also, if you select the tab.
which one? The one down below here?
Yeah. If you go to the controller tab, click on it, and then on the left there's also the green button to redo this.
Can I? Well, I wanted to debug this one, but okay, we can just
okay,
run it.
Sorry.
No worries. Pair to Racer, nice. And okay. I think I'm still waiting for something, right?
What does the Razer say?
So Unreal Racer says, ooh, nice. Okay, but the thing is, I'm not getting any messages here.
Yeah.
Well, the Racer's already ready to go.
Did you start the right controller?
I thought that's the one.
Yeah, client controller, yeah.
Client controller. Okay. That's
Oh, sorry. So you receive something.
I think this one doesn't really work, right?
No, this one works, and that's the problem. Because we receive something. Maybe we received this pair to Razer. Because where do we print this? This is a message that comes from the server, I guess. And we would need to check if it's really the IP package that we get. Because this message
So the
wasn't there
thing-
before.
Also, the server doesn't send it to the controller, right?
I think this
think
paired
that
to
might
the
be the
Razer
problem.
message comes from the server.
Yeah.
Make something to this IP package print, some additional thing there.
What?
Some in the print, add some more text so we know it's this print line statement.
Oh, okay.
Some hello or you can also just have multiple strings and comma separate them, I think. But this also works. Great.
Okay, so let's check. No one connected. Perfect.
Yeah.
Do this. This was stupid. Okay. Nothing connected. Perfect. So now I want to start the Unreal Racer, right? I
Yeah.
don't care about debugging, so I'm just going to do it like this.
Yeah.
And for the controller part, I actually want to do this.
Someone is sending this message
Someone,
and you get it.
Yeah,
And we
so-
should do an if and check if it's a JSON
yeah,
or
if,
something.
yeah, I'm pretty sure I need to know, okay, this is the, so I have to verify that this package I'm waiting for is actually the one I'm looking for.
Yeah.
So yeah, this one, yeah, I have to do the magic with the conversion.
Or you could make if starts with curly brace.
But I get an object. I'm supposed to work with objects right here.
What?
I get this.
JSON decode? Handle incoming message?
I think this is the one, right?
Yeah, maybe the whole. Yeah. Yeah, okay.
So client controller, and
Maybe you should have also copied the try catching stuff
well,
that you had there.
I'm pretty sure this part will work.
Not
And
with the current message that we get because it's no JSON. The first message we get is no JSON, so it will explode.
all right. Where do I put it from here?
Yeah.
So
So-
I basically want to do this, right?
Yeah. You can also, because we don't want to really do something, we can also just try catch it and
Okay.
not specify a type for the exception, I would say.
So
Yeah.
okay, let's do the message part here, because right now that's only a message. Oh,
Yeah.
that's a message. Don't care about this right now.
You can also remove one of the catch parts and just make the other one just with the E, I think. Yeah. Yeah, remove the type. Then it catches everything, I think. No?
Just like this.
Yeah. Could work. It's Python. I mean, if it is a JSON and it didn't explode, then we probably are good for now.
Yeah, I was just gonna look if there's something in it,
Okay.
like
I think you called it IP address also.
what's that?
IP address, the field.
Uh,
It's probably a dictionary, so with the, yeah.
I don't know if this will catch it. I think this will break.
It's not none, I guess. Or if is it within?
No, I'm pretty sure there's something other than that.
You can say IP address in dict.keys. In IP package.keys.
Okay, so yeah. This in
it's the IP package, not the IP address.
oh, true.
Keys and round. Yeah, thank you.
Round what?
How do you call it? I always forget. Brackets. I think it's brackets.
Brackets. Okay, never mind. So this, yeah.
And on the left, the string should be IP address, I think.
Oh yeah, that's yeah. So, and if this happens, then I need a break, right?
First send the ACK.
Oh, true. Yeah. Wait, let's do
also
this.
take the print.
And IP package. No, this should actually then be
message and move it to the very top so we see what's coming.
This should work then, right?
Yeah, maybe add another print with where you just print the message so we know what's going on.
All right.
Otherwise it receives some stuff and we have no idea. I also see the time is
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. Except running. So, yeah. Okay. Let's stop it all. Let's see. No racer, no controller. Perfect. Okay. Let's get an Unreal Racer in here. Already breaks. What the? Who did I break now?
Server. Again, like before.
Okay, Unreal Racer. Let's go. Okay, perfect. This one is running. And controller. Let's go. Paired. So the controller, you are connected. Where does the you are connected come from?
That's a message that we receive. Maybe you should add
so
in the print line in 82. We don't have any indication that it's this print line, but it will be probably this in print line.
And
better change the prefix. Okay.
Okay. I'll stop. Let's see. Server 0. Nice. Okay. Let's start the Unreal car. Brakes. Y.
I see we still have material from other episodes.
Yeah, pretty sure. Next time, hopefully with a real racer. Okay, controller. Let's go. Message, you're connected. Okay, so now we're still waiting for the acknowledge because it hasn't been sent, right?
Yeah, we would wait for the IP package.
Right.
What can you show what's happened on the racer?
So you're connected here. I think the problem is that the server won't pass in both ways, right?
The server doesn't forward it.
Okay.
Maybe something for next time?
I think for now the lobby is done.
You know how it should be.
Yeah,
No, the rest is
of
easy.
course. Yeah, easy peasy, no problem. So yes, I will try to keep up with my schedule, and I will try to do this in 2 weeks. Hopefully, Andreas or someone will join me.
For sure.
I was hoping for Christian today, but yeah,
Yeah,
I got a perfect substitution for it.
I hope so.
Yes, yes, awesome. We had a bit of a rough start, but I think now we're all awake and all good. So yes, yeah, that's it for today. Next week, I think there's going to be TypeScript again, and Friday some Kotlin, maybe. I don't know. Quarkus?
maybe? Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to think of a topic, but yeah, for sure we will find something.
Perfect. And yeah, as for this stream today, I will definitely update the GitHub page, and let's see. I probably need a few links now. You don't have them, right?
For GitHub not, but I can.
GitHub. Is it Arkansas? Yes, it's Arkansas. So this one should work. Okay, let me. Ooh, you know what? First, the important part at the end of the stream.
Have a look at our
There you go.
videos on YouTube.
Yeah. Of course. So this is one. The GitHub link is also online. And yeah, for this week, we're done. It's Friday afternoon, at least, or night in Germany. So we wish you all a wonderful weekend. Have a lot of fun. Keep coding in Python, and maybe next time you can tell us something that we did wrong. Probably a lot, but that's all right. And yeah, wish you all a wonderful weekend.
Have a nice weekend, guys.
Bye.
See ya.